Dear friends, if you are new to Zoom meetings or are just starting on Zoom, then this is the perfect video for you. This video will explain how to register and log into Zoom. To sign up, there are two popular ways, that is either using your mobile device or a desktop laptop device. Let's begin with the mobile devices, which can be your Apple iPhone, iPad, or an Android phone or a tablet. In any of the devices, you can either use a device browser or use the App Store to install directly the Zoom app. We are in Android App Store. Type the app name, install it, so it will get installed in a few minutes. Please note there are direct links in the video description for both the app stores, the Apple as well as the Android. Launch the app, click on sign up, enter date of birth. This is to ascertain that you are above 16 years. Now enter your email ID, first name, then last name. After this, you should receive an email asking you to activate your account. After activating the account, you can click on sign in and you can set your password. After that, you can also set a fingerprint if your device supports it. That's it. We have successfully completed the registration and the sign in process in less than 2 minutes. Now, if you're interested in doing the sign up process using a mobile browser instead of an app, then you can search for Zoom sign up page and enter your email ID, date of birth. So the rest of the process is kind of similar. So after entering this verification code, you can hit on the confirm and you will receive an email notification. Click on that link and you will provide the email address, password, and that's it. Now let's check the registration process on a laptop or a desktop device. There are two different ways to initiate this registration process. The first one is by installing the Zoom client software on your machine, and the second one is the direct web browser URL. In either case, both the options uses the same web browser interface for the actual registration process. Let's get started. Open the Zoom website on your browser. Scroll to the bottom. You will find a link which will enable you to download the client software. Alternatively, if you are not interested in downloading and installing any software and you simply want to complete the registration process, then on the top right there is a button sign up, it's free, so you can click there and directly complete the registration process instead of going it through the client software. Once you are here, click on the download button under Zoom client for meetings. So the download should start. It will complete in few minutes. Now click on the downloaded file. The installation will initiate. Now once the installation is completed, the Zoom client software will launch. Click on sign in. If you are comfortable, you can use SSO, Google, Facebook authentication, or else on the bottom right there is sign up for free link. Click on that. Now we have to follow the similar process as we did for the mobile device. Enter the date of birth and there is some verification here. Once that's done, an email will be sent to activate your account. Click on activate account. Now enter the username, password, and click on continue. This step, sending invitation to your colleagues, is optional, so you can skip this step. Now you will be redirected to the final confirmation page. You can start testing your meeting. Click on the personal meeting URL. It will launch the client software which was installed. It's connecting. The authentication is in progress. From here you can test your speakers and the microphone. Hello. Hello. That's it. We're all set. Hope this video was helpful and it has made it easier for you to set up your Zoom meeting. Please do like, share this video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.